Hello viewers and subscribers. Welcome to my YouTube channel RGL Innovation. This video is all about how to fix the kids toy car which is not working. Try to push the start button if it's working and nothing happened. This kids toy car has been recharged for the whole night, and we will check if the charger is working. And this is the charger. Supposed to be on DC voltage selector. I got 8.56 volts right now, so the charger is working. It seems like the battery is not charging. We'll check the voltage of the battery. We'll remove the seat cover because the battery is underneath the seat. Put it on continuity. Make sure that the fuse is working. Yeah, the fuse is working. We'll check now the battery. Put it on DC volts. The reading is only 1.3 volts DC. I just cut the wire and put another adapter for different batteries. Remove the old batteries. This battery is not charging anymore. I will put this battery for the RC car. 8.4 volts DC. It's a nickel metal hydride. Put the seat cover. Now I'm going to start this button. The kids toys started already, and there's an indicator for voltage. It's 8.65 volts. Then we have to try this one. Put it on forward and press the accelerator. Yeah, it's working fine now. And put it on reverse and press the accelerator. Yeah, it's moving backward. Put it on forward again. So the kids' toys has been fixed. The only problem is the battery. It won't charge anymore. The battery that I just installed is removable and can be recharged when it's a low battery. And we can shut it off. try to start again. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please subscribe and share. We can shut it off right now.